Hi everyone, it's Aldi from Equilibrium Tech. Today I'm going to install the Whitestone Dome Anti Reflective screen protector on the Galaxy S25 Ultra. And after the installation, we're going to do a direct comparison to see how much it actually affects Samsung's original anti-reflective coating. Is it worse, or is it actually better? We're going to find out. Alright, let's start by taking a closer look at the packaging. Here's the front of the box. One of the notable features here is the reflection remover. Here's the back. It says designed by Whitestone Dome in Korea, but I'm pretty sure this one is manufactured in China. Yeah, confirmed, made in China. Let's unbox it. Inside, there is one giant sealed plastic keeping everything protected from dust. Nice touch. Opening it up, you get the standard cleaning kit inside. There's a microfiber cloth, an alcohol wipe, and a dust absorber sticker. And of course, the screen protector itself, which comes with a plastic alignment mold so you can install it precisely on your phone without any guesswork. Now, let's check the fit. One thing to note right away, you cannot have a screen case on while using this mold, so make sure you remove that first. Hopefully nothing breaks in the process. Alright. We're good. Now, here's an important thing I almost got wrong, so pay attention. The alignment mold has a correct orientation. There is an upside down. You'll notice a tiny gap at the top near the speaker cutout. That's completely normal. And at the bottom, everything lines up flush with the screen, so there's no change to the display area there. You need to position the mold so that the text on it is readable when you hold the phone normally, meaning the text should not be upside down. Alright, now let's get into the actual installation. Step 1, clean the screen. Take the alcohol wipe from the kit and thoroughly clean your screen. The alcohol will kill any bacteria sitting on the glass. One tip here, don't rush it. Bacteria typically dies at around 30 seconds of contact, not instantly. So use a circular motion and really work the entire screen surface. You want it as clean as possible before anything touches it. Step 2. Use the microfiber cloth. Once the alcohol has done its job, follow up with the provided microfiber cloth. It's not the most premium microfiber out there, but it's more than good enough for this installation. Start by going back and forth to fully clear up any remaining alcohol on the screen. Then, once the alcohol is gone, switch to swiping in one direction only. Don't go back and forth at this stage, because that will just spread the dust around rather than clearing it off the screen. Step 3. Use the dust absorber sticker. This is the step where you need to be the most careful. The dust absorber picks up any remaining particles on the screen. Be gentle and deliberate here. The last thing you want is to introduce new dust right before laying down the protector. Step 4. Install the alignment mold onto the phone. Again, double check that the Galaxy S25 Ultra text on the mold is facing the right way and is readable from the top. Once you're confident it's correctly oriented, press it into place. It will seat perfectly into position. If you see any small bubbles, don't panic. Those can be easily pushed out by hand. After you press and slide tab 1 and tab 2, you can peel off the sticker cleanly, or just rip it off forcefully like I did. Once you remove the mold, this is the time to clean up any bubbles. Those can be easily pushed out by hand. And that's it. First impression, the finished result looks very clean. The black is very black even when there is a direct light source behind me, and the anti-reflective coating works really well. You can barely even see my face reflected on the screen. After installation, the fingerprint sensor on the screen stopped working. But don't worry, all you need to do is remove and re-register your fingerprint, and it will work again. It can be a little bit slower compared to without the screen protector, but it's not a big problem for me personally since I also use face recognition. I personally don't feel any difference in touch response, and I also don't notice any difference when viewing content. Here's how it looks in light mode, and here's how it looks in dark mode. Now for the comparison, we're going to put the anti-reflective performance to the test against Samsung's original coating. The S25 Ultra's original anti-reflective coating is definitely more black and handles reflections much better. The Whitestone Dome version, on the other hand, has a bluish tint to the black. The black level is elevated, so it's no longer a true black. Now looking at picture 2 with more direct light, as you can see, the more direct light it gets, the more bluish it becomes on the Whitestone Dome side. Meanwhile, the original S25 Ultra coating stays true black. And in picture 3, you can see it very clearly at the edges of the phone, right where the screen protector's cut meets the original screen coating. The difference is obvious there, but for me personally, I'd rather have peace of mind knowing my screen is protected from micro scratches. So I'm definitely keeping this screen protector. Now, interestingly, I also installed the Whitestone Dome screen protector on my Galaxy S25 Basic. And here's something I forgot to record but worth mentioning. The black level on that one actually beats the original S25 Ultra's coating. The anti-reflective performance is really impressive on the basic model. And here is the side-by-side of the S25 Ultra with Whitestone Dome versus the S25 Basic also with Whitestone Dome. As you can see, the S25 Basic is more black, very black, and has noticeably less reflectivity. My guess is that the combination of the S25 Ultra's original anti-reflective coating with the Whitestone Dome protector on top just doesn't play well together. Or maybe Whitestone Dome uses a different formula for the S25 Ultra compared to the S25 Vanilla. I'm honestly not sure. If you know the answer, let me know down in the comment. But don't get me wrong, the anti-reflective coating on the Whitestone Dome for the S25 Ultra is already a beast compared to plastic or even standard tempered glass screen protectors, whether cheap or expensive. The anti-reflective performance already works really well. It's only when you put it side by side directly against the S25 Ultra's original coating or the S25 Basic with Whitestone Dome that you start to notice the difference. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.